Well, good morning there. I thought I'd take a minute today, and I have to pack these 5 Anchor Hocking Soreno avocado green glass plates, dinner plates, and I just thought I'd take a minute to share with you my process for how I typically do this. So it's not rocket science. I took the liberty of doing a couple of things before doing the video. I did that. I cut some pieces of cardboard, and I will put that in there like that. So the main idea is that they don't bang. They don't bang together. That's the main idea. You don't want them beating on each other, because, well, that's the end. Okay, so there's 4. I have 5 of them, not 4. I don't know if I said 4 or 5, but there's 5 that I have to ship. So put that one in there, and then yes, then do this. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take these and try to mush it down a little bit, just to try to get them a little bit closer together there, you know what I mean? So they're a little, not very mushed, but they're mushed. So then I'm just going to wrap some newspaper around them, but I need to find a way to do this. How about if we do, I need a bigger work area here, and if I ever get the basement cleared out, I will do that. Maybe this year. This year seems like a good year to work on that. We'll see. Lots going on. It's super busy with the shop, and but you know, I got some things going on with some rental spaces. One of my vendors who was in there, who actually didn't work, is leaving. She just has some things going on, so she's leaving. So that's going to free up that space for a different vendor, which I already have one lined up for that, which is a current vendor who wants that extra space, and that's going to leave a space for me to, I wanted to make this a little tighter than what it is. That's going to free up some more space for me to get a new vendor in there who can work a couple extra days a month. That'll give me a little bit more time of my own to work on other things like this. So hopefully, yeah, and as you probably, if you watch any of my videos, you know I don't really spare on bubble wrap. I can't even imagine a day like I used to have, when the only bubble wrap I had was whatever I could find someplace. I didn't buy bubble wrap. I didn't buy boxes. I didn't buy anything. I ran everything as inexpensively as I could, which, you know, that's what I had to do at the time. But man, life is so much easier and so much nicer to this kind of life when you just buy this stuff instead of having to be cheap, having to be thrifty, having to be very careful. It always ends up costing you money when you try to do that anyway, typically, in the long run. But I don't know if you can even see. Yeah, I'm just wrapping them very well. That should be, well, yeah, I'm gonna just put a little bit more over that. There's a little edge right there where you can almost feel the glasses right there. The bubbles just aren't really doing it. The bigger bubbles might, but I don't like the bigger bubbles. I just don't. So one more time around, and that should be better. Alright. Get rid of that. It's a good thing I brought home some more bubble wrap from the shop. I have some over there. I got some ordered too. I like, it was American Bubble Boy or something like that. Their ads are on Facebook all the time for me. American Bubble Boy. They're well, they're made in USA for one thing, and so there is that. But I always get the same consistency, the same quality. The perforations always work good. The bubbles are good. It's always good. Yeah, I just really like them. And maybe I pay. It's $35 for 700 feet, so free shipping. So you might be able to get a little cheaper on eBay or something sometimes, or Amazon sometimes, but you usually end up paying for that with quality. So I'm gonna be sticking with them unless they decide to change. So anyway, there's that. And then I guess I should have had another box. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab a box from over. Will this one work? Probably not. I was thinking maybe I'd just grab a box. No, I don't want to do it that way. No, I'm gonna grab. Oh, I don't have any sheets. I used them all up. And then any big sheets. Well, I'll do this. Here we go. I'll do this. And we'll try to. I just want to put. I don't want to put it in a box. I want to wrap it in cardboard again here. So I want to put cardboard around this and then put it in a box. So I'm gonna see, I guess like that. And then I'll have another piece that I'll put over that. Let's do it this way. I was gonna. Yeah, so there we go. I don't know. I think I'm just recording it. Yeah, I'm just recording this. I was thinking about doing a live video, but I'm shy. And then I'm just gonna cut that a little bit. I think I need a new blade. Okay, we got that one. And this one. There we go. Alright, so let's flap this flap up and flap that flap up. Throw some tape on there to hold it for us. Whoopsie. There we go. And then I'm gonna just cut that. Sometimes I need to have a nice flat edge, so it's always nice to have a ruler around. Nice flat edge to bend things. So let's hope that this is not going to get completely destroyed. By the Samsonite gorilla who works at the post office now. Yeah. I think I can get rid of this flap, I hope. Okay. Yeah, I think I can do that. Let's do this. I'm gonna just take a little edge off of there. Okay, that one. Fold this one over. That. Yeah. That. Okay, I'm pretty cool with that so far. Wrap a little more tape around it to just hold it together during the process. And there. Sure, you can guess. Let's just check here. Let's just check our size here. That's under 12. That's under 12. Yeah, so this will go then into a priority mailbox. If I have one of those around here. I don't think I have any of the 12 by the doggone it. I don't think I have any of them. I was going to get some and I forgot. Good. All right, well that's what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to put it in one of those 12 by 12s. I'll have to get some. I have some at the shop, so I can get some there. I just don't have any here, unless I brought some home. But yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to put that into a 12 by 12. I'm going to put some padding underneath it and around it, and set it inside the 12 by 12, fold it up and ship it. So, okay. Now at least you've seen how I wrapped it. So, all right, bye.